In our motion unit, we've been talking about simple machines. A simple machine is anything that can help you do work. One of the simple machines we've talked about are ramps. So today, since we have talked about going outside, we're going to go outside on a field trip and look for ramps. The top of the roof is a ramp. The job it does is keep the water off the top of the roof so it can fall down. Your roof is a ramp. Now that we've talked about the roof, I'm not going to go very far. My driveway is a ramp. It goes from my road up to my garage. The job it does is to make sure that my car doesn't go bumpity bumpity. And this ramp helps boats go in the water. That's not a ramp, it's just cool. Whee! The slide's a ramp. This is a wheelchair ramp. It helps people in wheelchairs get into the church. Now that I'm home again, let's see what we can find inside. There's Mr. Strumsky's drill bits. Look, there's a ramp. The job it does is to help drill holes. Look, a ramp for painting. I'm not really painting, but I found a ramp. I don't know if you can see this, but my peanut butter jar has a ramp. It helps me do a job. See? Ta-da!